All right, let's get a check on what's playing out with the markets now. Talking about the crypto market, we're seeing the color right there is green right now. Bitcoin up about over 2%, and it's still extreme fear though. If you look at the fear greed index, 25 points over 100. So investors there are still extremely fearful with all the volatility we're seeing in the market there. Let's look at the top cryptocurrencies that we tracked. Now we're seeing Bitcoin 2.56% up, Ethereum 2.30% up, BNB 0.60% up, Cardano on the flip side, that's down 0.89%. Still trying to get back above that $1 psychological level, but not able to get over it yet. Then for the top headlines in the market, we're seeing El Salvador. They're still buying Bitcoin despite the deal they had with the IMF. You know, the IMF told them they have to reduce their purchases of Bitcoin or stop it altogether so they could get a $1.4 billion loan agreement. That was reached in December. But fast forward to today, El Salvador, they're still buying Bitcoin at this point. Then Binance, one of the biggest exchanges in the world, they've delisted about 5 Bitcoin pairs. They normally do that from time to time, maybe when they see an asset is not getting that much volume, they end up delisting it, or maybe it doesn't have a community trading it that much. So they've delisted about 5 new pairs there, and they're mostly Bitcoin pairs. Then Shiba Inu, that's one of the top meme coins. They're burning about 20 billion tokens have been burned so far. Not sure who's burning this amount of tokens, but the investor bought about 20 billion of that and sent it to an address that cannot be accessed by anyone. So that's what's playing out there. Those are the top stories in the crypto market. But let's talk to someone who charts asset classes for a living right now. I'm talking about Sunil Dixit. He's a chief technical strategist at SK Charting. Hello, Sunil.
Hi, Ladi.
Hi, Sunil. It's great to have you. So I know you're watching the price action right now happening with Bitcoin. Tell me, what levels are you watching?
See, when it comes to Bitcoin, my perspective is for a bit long term. I don't watch small time frames on Bitcoin because the beta size is quite big. And at the moment, what I see as a resistance zone is 92K, which needs to be cleared with a daily and weekly closing basis. For further upside, that targets 94K, and next comes 97K, that is major resistance, 100-day SMA. And if Bitcoin is able to clear 97K on daily closing basis, then only further upside can be expected, which has a lower possibility at the time being. And on the downside, 89K and 86,500. These two levels are active support zone. Going ahead, if
trading,
sellers
looking at trading that's happening so far, how are you seeing volume?
Sorry?
How are you seeing the volume of trades when it comes to what investors are buying and selling?
As the price shows, volume keeps fluctuating on the buy side as well as selling side, but sellers are still not out, and the downside probabilities are increasing with every passing day. And this will continue, the selling pressure will continue as long as the major resistance, overhead resistance, that is positioned at 97K, that acts as resistance. So the chances tilt towards more downside. And very important to be monitored is if Sellers take a call below 83,000, that is 200-day SMA, on a daily and weekly closing basis, then a deeper correction cannot be ruled out.
All right, we'll definitely keep watching. But when you zoom out of the charts, would you say Bitcoin is in a bearish zone or is it still bullish in the long term when you zoom out?
I think in near future, Bitcoin may remain sideways between 83,000 major support and 97,000 major resistance, and break and close below 83,000 will expose deeper support zones, more decline to come. That starts with 65K.
Wow, that's definitely a big number. When you say 65,000, that's a huge drop. Well, thank you so much. I know you watch the charts every day. That's Sunil Dixit, Chief Technical Strategist at SK Charting. Thank you for coming on today.
That's welcome, Larry.